Hi guys, and welcome to the video. I am so excited to tell you that I am going to be giving you spoilers for the Jeffree Star Halloween Mystery Box of 2023, more specifically the Supreme Box, as well as a mystery treat. Not exactly sure which one of these items in here is the mystery treat, but eventually we'll figure it out as we get more spoilers. But this video would not be possible without Irene, so thank you so much for sending me what you got in your box. I will have her Instagram linked below. Love you so much. Also, this video is also featuring my bunny Timber. Say hello, Timber. So cute. Anyways, if you are into these types of videos for me, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially if you haven't subscribed already. It would literally melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get to it. Okay, so like I said, there is one mystery treat item in here. I'm not exactly sure what item is the mystery treat item, but there is some really exciting things in here. And I was going to make a video the other day because it turns out we actually already had a spoiler, and Eden actually showed this to me. So Jeffree Star actually posted on his Instagram a photo of the Gothic Beach palette and some other things, and if you look way in the tip top corner, you can see a very weird looking skin frost. Well, it reminds me of the moldy looking cookie that we got as an exclusive highlighter for Halloween of 2019. You guys remember the most iconic boxes was Halloween 2019. He put the tracksuit in, he put so much in, and he gave us, you know, liquid lips, and he gave us the moldy cookie looking highlighter. Well, this, you guys, is so much lighter with red splotches, and guess what? Correctamundo. This is an exclusive item. He didn't necessarily say the boxes had exclusives, except for he did in a Instagram post where he talked about it. But yeah, so I just know that there are new items on the flyer, but he said exclusives. So I don't know if they're newly exclusive or exactly what he's meaning, but let's get into it. So this is called Icy Execution, which is hilarious because it's an icy highlighter with blood splatter. So you get executed and you die and then blood splatter. So perfect for Halloween. Love that so much. Of course, the red is just going to be one of those top things. So once you rub it off, it's gone. I forget exactly what you call that, but packaging, super cute. It's got the blood all over it, and I'm living for it. Next thing I see here is the Jeffree Star enamel pen set, or these are croc things, little croc things. Not sure exactly, but these are actually really cute. You have the bone situation design going on. You have a vampire fang one maybe, slime splatter, spider web, yeah, these are cute. These are really cute, and I know a lot of people collect these. Then we have a Jeffree Star Cosmetics cleaver mirror, and this is an orange, which I do not believe he sells on the site. So this is another new item, which I do like the orange cleaver, super cute. Then we have 3 liquid lips. Now, Bricked Up is in this photo, but I remember Bricked Up being if you purchase anything from Gothic Beach, or if you purchase anything from the Halloween section, you get a free Bricked Up liquid lip. So that one is not a part of the mystery box, but we do have Malicious Kisses, and we have Halloween Nudity. I've never heard of Halloween Nudity, so I believe that's a new or exclusive item. Not exactly sure. So yeah, you guys tell me, because there's so many shades, I literally cannot tell you. And then we have Frosting for Dinner Full Pigment Lip Gloss. Yes, please. Then we have 2 Velvet Traps, one in the shade Red Affair and the other one in Communion Wine. Also, absolutely love that. Everything's just very much like Halloween themed, which is really refreshing that it's not just all kinds of random like things that aren't selling that he's putting in the box. Like, it's very organically Halloween themed, but then there's also some very beautiful, like neutral, like everybody friendly things in here. We have an eye gloss powder, and this is in the shade Voyeurism, if I'm saying that correctly. We also have a liquid star shadow. This is in the shade Nude Honeymoon. I have not tried either one of those products. We also have the F-Proof mascara, the yellow one, which is the first time I've seen the yellow one, which could be a mystery treat. He only had the $6 mystery treats this time. He did not have the $12 mystery treat, and $12 mystery treats usually were skincare or sometimes like the smaller palettes. It could have been a mystery treat. I'm not exactly sure which one is the mystery treat, but like I said, out of all these items, when we start seeing more spoilers, we'll figure out exactly what the mystery treat was out of this entire section. But anyways, she got the cremated palette, and me and my friend Noelle were actually talking today when we were out that we really miss our cremated palette. It was legit like so good. And then I saw that Natasha Denona today, I saw it leaked like 2 weeks ago, that she was coming out with like a bigger Xenon palette, which is very gray tones. And so obviously I'm going to buy that. It's coming out October 22nd at Ulta online. So I'm going to buy that. But I do miss my cremated palette. It was my favorite Jeffree Star palette to date, though my favorite color story to date is the Gothic Beach palette. It's just brilliant. And then she also got the Beauty Killer #2 palette, which is not my favorite. It's like the most random color story, but I know a lot of people love it. So that is also an item that came in the box. Also in the box, the Jeffree Star Skin Vitamin C Skin Perfecting Serum. Now, I don't believe we've had actual skincare products in any of the mystery boxes, so this very well could be a mystery treat because we've gotten a lot of skincare as mystery treats, even the $6 ones, so possibly. And then lastly, we have a bunch of single shadows. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 single shadows here, and the shades are 1985, Scene Queen, Jaded, Heavy Weighted, CEO, Yak Farm, Self-Made, and Gumdrop. I apologize if my dogs are barking. The mini velour liquid lipsticks are in Halloween Nudity Malicious Kisses, which are, I guess, the same as what the big ones are, maybe? I think so. So maybe those are repeated, because she said, so the mini velour liquid lipsticks in Halloween Nudity and Malicious Kisses are new. So I'll have to just like double check, and you double check on your own time to see if any of those shades that are in the liquid lip threesome mini. Oh, did I say that? Also in the mystery box is the Jeffree Star liquid lip threesome minis, the Halloween version with the black, the orange, and like the sparkly purple. So yeah, we'll have to just look that up and see if the minis are the same as the full sizes that she got. If so, that would kind of suck a little bit. But yeah, thank you, Irene, so much for showing me what you got in your Supreme mystery box. Of course, we are all very grateful for your contribution to society, for science, for letting us know what came in this mystery box. Love it so much. And I have to say, this is a great mystery box. I've kind of dogged them in the past because, like, at the end of the day, it's not really worth it. But for a true Halloween mystery box, this really does just, like, it slaps. It hits. And I would say I would highly recommend it, honestly. Let me just look and see what the value was again, and how many items you get, because I cannot for the life of me remember. Okay, so Supreme, 15 items, 5 are supposed to be new for $120 with a $465 value. So I would say out of everything that she got, this is a perfect, spectacular, great box for 120 bucks. Like 10 out of 10. So you let me know your thoughts and opinions down below on this mystery box. Are you planning on getting it? All of that jazz. Excuse the barking again. Say goodbye to my buddy Timber. I know you're probably like, is this buddy alive? He is very much alive. But he's just a good boy. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.